how to verify your OKX account. The first thing to do is to open your OKX application or log into okx.com on a web browser and log into your account if necessary. Once you're logged into the account, go ahead and tap on the waffle menu button at the top left hand corner. If you have not yet verified your OKX account, then you'll be able to see this I'm verified level right under your email, and tap on the verify now button. To verify your identity, you will need your government issued ID and a selfie verification. Go ahead and tap on verify now button in order to end up in the next page where you will need to select your country and your ID type that you have available. After you are done, tap the next button, and then you will now need to take a photo of your personal document that you have gotten ready, and then take a selfie from your camera. Simply toggle on the button and follow through the prompt. On the next page, you'll need to go ahead and take a selfie of yourself, and after you provide all of the necessary details, you'll be able to verify your OKX account. Once your account has been verified, you'll be able to see a verified level right on your username. That's how you can easily verify your OKX account within a few minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.